How to add credit or debit card in Shoppers Drug Mart. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get in. First, I will move into any of the web browser that you want to. Let me move into Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Shoppers Drug Mart login. Now head over to the very first site, Shoppers Drug Mart. It will land you on the official page of Shoppers Drug Mart. Now you simply have to log into your specific account. In order to do that, first of all enter your username and then enter the password associated with your account. Once you have entered your login credential, tap on Login and then you'll be logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into Payment Method. In the section of Payment Method, you will see the option where it says Add Credit or Debit Card. Click on it. Once you click on it, one interface will pop up on screen where you'll have to enter the information of your credit or debit card. Simply enter all the necessary details like your card number, your name on the card, CVV number, expiration date, and your billing address. Once you have entered all the necessary details, tap on Save at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then your debit or credit card will be added to Shoppers Drug Mart. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card in Shoppers Drug Mart. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.